This video will show you how to insert and change needles. To insert a needle into the machine, you will first start with the needle bar in the up position. You can accomplish this by turning the hand wheel until the needle bar has reached its highest point. Loosen the set screw on the right side of the needle bar with a size 2 metric Allen key. Then insert your needle into the needle hole under the needle bar. It is very important to note that the needle scarf points outward from the needle bar. Once that is accomplished, you may tighten down the set screw on the side of the needle bar to hold the needle in position. You are now set up for a single needle operation. In order to add a second needle, you will repeat the same process for a single needle. However, you will now loosen the set screw on the left side of the needle bar and ensure that the needle scarf is now facing the left side. You are now set up for double needle operations.